Hey guys, and I think tonight what I'm going to work on is our Easter gnome. I think this is going to turn out cute. So, meet me over at my craft table. Okay guys, what I've got is a sock and one of my footsies left from my Valentine gnome. And then this for the hat of the gnome. And then we're going to make ears out of some felt. And we'll probably put some gingham in between, you know, for the inset of the ear. Then I'm going to make the beard this time like I did for Christmas out of this eyelash yarn. So first thing we have to do is take off the tag. And you've seen me do these before. They come together really quick. Make sure you have your little rubber bands. I'm going to put this in a cup. It's easier to put the rice in this way. Okay. And everything except the eyelash yarn is from the Dollar Tree. And this is going to be a littler gnome because we're using junior size socks and kid socks, I believe these are. So I'm going to keep filling this up, and then when I have this filled with rice, I'll be back. Okay, so I have it filled where I want it. And now I'm going to take a rubber band and tie off the top part here. Got that done. Now we have to do the nose. Some people put a little wooden ball and glue it on. I like making it out of the rice. So I'm just going to pinch until I get what I want here, and then tie it with this little rubber band. Okay. All right, now, so let's just come up higher here. I'm going to double two of these little rubber bands to make it a little bit stronger. So there is the little body so far. Now I want to see about the hat, and we'll put the beard on first, but I'm just trying this on right now because I want it to cover everywhere. I'm going to let this hat kind of come over to the side here, I think, because what I'm thinking is instead of the felt, I might open this up and use it for the ears. Okay, so I cut this one in half, and I think I'll glue it, and the seam will be to the back. Now we're gonna get the ear to make this a bunny gnome. And I'm going to cut the felt, and here's where the ears will be. And then I'm going to put some of this as the inside of the ear. So let's cut two so they're the same size. I got to save enough of this felt to use for his beard for the base of it, so I can glue on the eyelash. And then I'll glue it together. Okay, so now I'm going to cut one exactly like this one so they match. Get this one done. These are cute. Ever since I did my Christmas one, I've been hooked on these. Okay, before we can get anything else done, I have to get the beard. I want that at least to there. So that's a guesstimate. Yeah, that's okay. So there that is. I don't know if you can see it, but just a faint line where to cut it. Alright, so now let's see where to cut our little divot for under the nose. Now, if you didn't want to put yarn or anything, you could use felt. So put you to the side, and now we're going to glue. And I'm not going to keep you here to do all of that, but I will do some of it. So we got the ears ready to go. And I think I'm going to add a little pom-pom to the butt of this one as well. What do you think? I think that would be cute. You could make a pom-pom out of this. Just gather it. Put a little polyfill in there, but right now let me focus on this. So this is just how I did the Christmas one. And then you just push this back to get your next layer on there, because if you don't, you're going to glue down your eyelash. So now I'm going to come all the way over here. And then push it back. Cut it off. Pushing it back, and then I'll lay the next one all the way down to the point. So when I'm done with this, I'll be back. Okay, so now I have the beard made. I glued all the way down. And I'm going to cut around there, and then I'm just going to trim this up a little bit. It's a cute little beard. See how it looks. Well, I think that's pretty cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of blush on his nose and then figure out how I want to put the ears on and where I want them. Do I want them in the front? So there's the ears, and I'll glue them a little bit more. I may put some ribbon or glue these a little bit closer to this. That's what I'm going to do, so it's hugging it a little bit more. Gonna get the little pom-pom on the butt. Just a little one. That's cute. Okay, so now I can go ahead and put the beard on, and then I can do the nose after. I don't want to glue the hat down because I want it to be able to come down over . Okay, now I'm going to pull the sock down again. And then this is where I will glue a little of it. I think he is so cute. So now I'm just going to go ahead, go get my makeup and just touch his nose a little bit and then find a little bit of embellishments, and I'll be back. Okay, so we are done. I took a little spring flower and an Easter egg with a little leaf. I may put another Easter egg down here. Let's see. Let's see what happens if I do that. I think I'm going to do it there. And maybe get an egg down here just to embellish. But I think this little Easter gnome turned out adorable. Everything from the Dollar Tree, this I had, but the socks, the rice, the footsies, and the eyelash yarn came from Hobby Lobby. Just a little white pom-pom tail. I think it turned out adorable. I hope that you guys will do this. I will make a gnome for every holiday. I think they are precious. So, until we get together again, and we will, whatever we do, we'll do together. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.